Good morning, doctor. I'm not feeling well.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you had these symptoms?
It's been about 3 days now.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I've had a low fever since yesterday.
Are you experiencing any other symptoms?
Yes, I'm also feeling very tired.
Have you been eating and drinking normally?
Not really, I've lost my appetite.
Let me take your temperature. Can you open your mouth?
Sure.
Your temperature is slightly high. Have you taken any medicine?
Yes, I took some painkillers this morning.
Are you allergic to any medications?
No, I'm not allergic to anything.